Greetings of the day. This is one simple sheet metal part. Today we will learn how to make this sheet metal part in SolidWorks by using sheet metal command. Initially go to new, then select part, say OK. Now we will sketch some simple geometry. Select front plane, sketch. I'll select line. I'll draw one simple geometry, vertical line, then vertical again. So now I'll start giving dimension 40. I'll select this line also. I give the relationship equal. Now all these lines are 40 mm. You can check here. Here length is 40 mm. Okay, then I'll draw one circle here. For this circle, diameter is 20. Then I'll give the dimension from here to here 20. Here also it is 20. Then I drag this point to the origin and it will automatically select. Now the all dimensions are fully defined. Then what I'll do is I'll create some fillet 10 mm. No entities to be fillet here. I'll select this. Say yes, yes, and select this one also. Yes. I'll select this entity later, so I'll deselect or I'll select here, delete. I'll select this one. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Then say okay. Then I'll draw the circle on the center point of this arc. I'm not mentioning the any diameter to the circle. I'm just creating some circles on that center point. Now I'll select by holding Control. I'm selecting all circles, then adding the relation make equal. Now I'll give the dimension to the circle. It's 10 mm. Now sketch is fully defined. Now I'll exit from the sketch. Okay. Now in the sheet metal command, in the command bar, if you get the sheet metal command, then it's okay. Otherwise, click anywhere in the command bar, right click, tab, then select it. You will get the sheet metal command in the command bar. Then select the base flange and select this sketch. Thickness is 1 mm. Can change the direction here or the symmetric. This is a bending allowance, K factor 0.5, relief is 0.5. Okay, then say okay. Now the sheet metal command, sheet metal plate is ready in the flat pattern. Okay, then I will bend this flange by using the command sketch bend. Select the sketch bend, then select this plane, go to the line, select this point, vertical line, and the line with this on the edge. Now line is point to point connected with this relationship. Then I'll go to the smart dimension, select the line and this edge, make the dimension 4 mm. Now this line is fully defined. Exit from the sketch, sketch bend parameters, I'll select this face, then this is angle 45 degree, and this is the default radius. Now I'll make it 4. Okay. Now I bend this flange by using sketch bend tool with the angle 45 degree. Again I will bend this one also. I'll go back to the sketch bend, select the plane line, start from this point line to this line, then smart dimension, select this edge and this line 4 mm, exit from the sketch, the base flange, select this, now it's 90 degree, I'll make it 45, default radius 2, then I'll make it 4, say OK. Now see, this flange is also bent for the 45 degree. Now I will bend the third flange because I selected sketch bend to command, then select this plane. Again I will select this line to the edge, this one, and I'll give the dimension 4 mm. Base flange is this, and it is, I can see the preview. Now I will make this for the reverse direction with the angle of 90 and the radius 4. You can see the preview here. Now I'll say OK. Now I will give the radius over here, fillet, I'll select this corner and make 2, then I will select this also, say OK. Now by using sketch bend I bent these 3 flanges. Now I will use the command sheet metal gusset. Go to sheet metal gusset. Sheet metal gusset are used to increase the strength of the sheet metal part. I'll select this face and then this face. The gusset preview is showing. I will make the depth 6. It's also in going beyond on this point 5. Okay, I'll make it 4 now. It's okay. Then this is also important, inner corner fillet. Otherwise, my gusset will be look like this. Again, go back to sheet metal gusset, edit feature, inner corner fillet 1 mm given. Then say OK. See the radius now. Okay. Now I'll add the gusset here also. Sheet metal gusset selected. 2 faces are selected. Sheet metal gusset is created. Now I will increase here till 8. Okay. Then inner corner fillet are selected. Say OK. See here, gusset is added. Now what I'll do is I'll mirror this gusset on this flange. So plane, right plane selected, go to the features, then select mirror. Mirror face is this one, and feature to be mirror. I'll go to the feature tree, then I select this gusset. Now preview is showing. Now I'll say OK. This gusset is created on this side also. Now I can give some appearance to this spread. I will select this one. Okay, now you can see. Now you can see this sheet metal. We used sheet metal gusset command and base flange and sketch bend tool and some sketch commands. Okay, now we can flatten this one by using sheet metal flatten command. See, this is a flatten view of this sheet metal part. You can see the bending lines also here. While giving it for the manufacturing purpose, we can also mention this bend lines and everything. Okay, then exit from the flat pattern. Yeah, this is a simple tutorial for the sheet metal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Good day. Thank you.